Head down the Royal Arcade. Lots of little independent shops. Delicatessen. All the different bottles of beer from around the world. Wally's. All the different cheeses. Such a great shop. This is retro vintage clothing. So these. Colourful mural there for you on the wall there. Bit of artistic artwork. We've come round now to Cardiff Bay, which is just on the outskirts of Cardiff, and we're standing outside this building here, which is the Welsh Parliament building. Wonderful old clock tower there on the old building there. It's the front of the Welsh Parliament building there. The old war memorial, the outboat. Just show you out over the bay. So it remains of the wooden dockyard post where they used to put the goods in off the boats. Come through to another mall with continuing shops, as you can see. Build-A-Bear, 25 years old this year, celebrating hearts and hugs. These are some of the bears that you can build. Ladies just filling it out with stuffing. The Hayes, the Brewers Quarter, and that's the corner house there in front of you. And they got this iconic arch outside the library, Cardiff Library. And John Lewis there for you. The Wyndham Arcade. 1887. Similar to the Royal Arcade. Right, I'm going to head on under the bridge and back out to the harbour. There's the old ferry heading out. Young lads fishing down there. Don't know if he's caught anything. There's a few more eateries and dineries. Get your or whatever you fancy. The Mermaid Quay. We're just having a wander through. It's the Shrine of Lanto. People have been leaving their messages and postcards there. The old Victorian Harbour Masters building. A couple of old cannons there. They're doing some water skiing out there. I don't know if you can see or hear. They're going around creating that white water you can see in the water. That's all from S&BDIARIES for today here in the city of Cardiff. Thanks for coming along and bye for now.